a feeling we're at the right place. I'm at Peppermill in Reno for hot August nights, and I just wanted to show you around on some of the old cars. They don't have them just downtown on, what's the street? South Virginia Street. If you go down there, they've got the street closed between 1st Street and like 5th Street, or 4th Street at least. And they've got all kinds of old cars down there too, and you can walk right down the middle of the street. I didn't even know they had them. They had them here at the Peppermill, and they also have them in the parking lot at GSR, Grand Sierra Resort. Okay, I just made a video. I was over there, and I thought I'd come over here and shoot a quick video of this over here. Hot August nights. You've got to come and see these old cars at least once in your lifetime. Just Google Hot August nights, Reno, and they'll give you the dates and all that kind of stuff. In case you're ever around in August, might be the time to come down to Reno. We thought we'd come here today just to show you some of the old cars. And they've got a little stage here. They got free music at night. Hot August nights usually goes for 4 or 5 days. And you just walk around, make yourself at home, stay a couple nights at a casino somewhere, and check out the old cars if you're an old car buff. I'm not really a car buff. I'm just making this video because I wanted to post it on my channel. For those of you who are car buffs. He's just trying to find a parking spot. You can't. You gotta sign up to be able to put your car over here. The parking lot is all old cars on this side, and all the regular parking you have to go on the other side. I'm gonna walk down another row over here. Hey, this whole parking lot is full of old cars. Well, I say the whole parking lot, not entirely. I'm gonna see, and these guys who park their cars here, they can decide if they wanna park their car tomorrow on the street where they close it down. They can do that, I think. See, each car has a number on it. You just have to sign up or check out all the questions and stuff. You know, I don't know everything on it. I'm just showing you the old cars. So I know in the parking lot at Peppermill, that's where we're at. They're doing this all hot August nights, and they do it at Grand Sierra Resort, GSR, which is close by, and then they also do it at Atlantis. Atlantis is just right down the street, down that way. And they've got, in their parking lot, they got a whole section on the, which side? The west side parking lot, on the other side of the road. They've got all their old cars over there. So, you know, wherever you want to go, you'll see the old cars. My dad, my pops used to do this like every year. Hey, what you doing? Oh, we just went to hot August nights. He loves old cars and airplanes, and he used to go to the Reno air shows quite often. It took me quite a few times when I was a kid. And then he went to this other place called Oshkosh. He'd probably been there, oh, I don't know how many times, 11 times or something. In his lifetime, he went. Okay, so you'll see just about, you know, all kinds of different cars here, and usually the owners of the cars are sitting around. You can talk to them. Nice car, eh? See all the cars over that way? All kinds. There's a ton of cars over there. This whole parking lot. Crazy. when I was downtown, I was looking at these places for kettle corn. Oh, look at that. There is kettle corn right there. Can you believe that? Is that it? I love that stuff. You might have to give me some. Cars, cars, and more cars. I don't know if I'm supposed to walk between these cars. Oh, look at that thing. He's right down on the ground. And a car like that, they've got these air shocks in there, and then they'll lower it right down. Look at that. They can't drive it like that. When the guy gets in it, it raises back up. Okay. And then I think a couple different afternoons they might have anybody who's got their old cars here, if they want to go and do it like a parade type thing down South Virginia, they do that. I know they do that the last day, which is usually a Sunday afternoon. They'll do it, and you can just sit there for I don't know, however many cars want to go on it. Not all the cars do it, but it's still pretty interesting. You can hear all the cars going by, and you just sit there, and it's quite fascinating for sure. And these guys, they just love to do it. I don't think they get any prizes for this, and it probably costs some money to be part of this, you know. I'm sure it does. But hey, they love to do it. Just love to do it. Try not to make this video too long. You get the idea. I'm not showing you any one car in particular. Oh, I did see a nice Roadrunner one. He's been parked on the street, South Virginia Street. They closed that down. Like I said, down by the Row, which is the different casinos, El Dorado, Silver Legacy, Circus. That's called the Row, and it's right down there. They closed the street down. You just walk down the street. Yeah. They had a lime green one, a Roadrunner. It's not really called a Roadrunner. I forget what it's called now. I'd have to go back there, and I'm planning tomorrow to make a quick video down there. See, there's just more cars down over here. You can just keep walking however far you want to see more cars. But I especially like walking down the middle of the street at downtown. And I'll do that tomorrow probably. And I'll post that on my channel too. And you can find the other one. I'll probably have 3 or 4 different ones. And you go to my YouTube channel, go to my main YouTube channel page, go down to playlists, and then scroll down to VideoJoe Goes. Maybe I'll put it underneath that, VideoJoe Goes. And I'll have the cars there, hot August nights. Yeah, come on down. It is a hot August afternoon, and I'm at the Pepper Mill.
My phone doesn't load.
If you ever get a chance to come out and see some old cars all in one place, this is the place to do it. And it's all free. It doesn't cost you anything. Unless you want the kettle corn. Hey, I could show you more, but that's all for this time.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I got to get some of that kettle corn.
I believe I can't go until I get that.
Actually, that was dinner too.